AI in action. How big data revolutionizes trading. Welcome to the cutting-edge world of trading, where artificial intelligence meets big data to create an unstoppable force of financial innovation. In this mind-blowing YouTube video, we unveil the awe-inspiring power of AI and its game-changing impact on the world of trading. Unleashing the potential picture, a world where vast amounts of data are at the fingertips of traders, providing unprecedented insights and predicting market movements with jaw-dropping accuracy. Say goodbye to guesswork and welcome data-driven decisions that propel traders to new heights. Beyond human abilities, AI's computing prowess goes beyond human capabilities, analyzing mountains of information in milliseconds. Witness how algorithms can detect patterns, spot trends, and even adapt to dynamic market conditions in ways that mere mortals can only dream of. Ride the data-driven wave. Join us on a thrilling journey as we dive into real-life case studies showcasing AI's brilliance. Witness how smart traders leverage this technology to ride the data-driven wave, turning information into profit and staying ahead of the competition. Global market insights. Thanks to big data, traders gain unparalleled global insights into various markets and sectors. No longer restricted by borders, AI-driven strategies allow for seamless trading opportunities across continents. Embracing the future. Embrace the future of trading, where collaboration between human intuition and AI brilliance paves the way for a new era of financial success. Learn how you too can leverage AI tools and techniques to enhance your trading game and maximize your potential for lucrative returns. Don't miss the revolution. The AI-driven trading revolution is here, and you don't want to be left behind. Hit that play button and be part of a transformative journey that will leave you inspired and ready to embrace the future of financial trading. Get ready to witness the magic of AI in action as big data revolutionizes the world of trading like never before. Subscribe now and join us in this exciting exploration of technology's impact on the financial markets. Let's embark on this data-driven adventure together.
Thanks for watching.